outward or inward, depending upon it. So it's a combination of two different things.
When you raise the collective, you have to open the throttle to keep the rotor and engine running in the green arc.
Right. Okay.
So we have little assistance there. We don't have. Here's the left test. I think you will need to go in the we'll see. There you go. He's firing up. So powerful.
Accommodated. So the way we do it is, if they're landing on this runway, we're going to stay away from the runway.
Sure.
If they're landing on another runway, we can use this runway, which is called the inactive runway. And this way we always stay away from traffic of the fixed lanes. And
yeah, that jet coming in,
yeah, that's
kick
something
you
to
around a little bit.
Yeah, that's why I would put the helicopter on the ground until I get the clearance for takeoff.
See how they're crawling?
The crab.
Yeah, crabbing.
That's fine. That's fine. That's what they should do.
Mm-hmm.
And
wow, I'm kind of scared.
Why?
I don't know, just am.
Oh, you're good. Don't worry. It's gonna be fun. All right. So, can you tell me where's the collective? When I say I give you the collective, where's the collective? Okay, that's the collective. Okay, make sure we hold. Yeah, very good. And the cyclic with our right hand. Good. Very good. Okay. Okay, now the gauge is in the green. I'll twist the key, check the RPM, okay?
Okay.
So twist the key to the right, 1,000, 2,000, that's about 4% jump. That's pretty good, right? And then I twist the key to the left. 1,000, 2,000, same thing, about 4%. That's pretty good, okay? The next one will be carb heat. So this thing, with the heaters on, the temperature has increased. We know it's working. It's good.
So carb heat.
And spark clutch, needle split. Look at the needles, okay? Look at the needles.
Okay.
We want to see split of the needle. Good. That's a nice split, right?
Right.
Okay. Next one.
Doors.
Doors.
Closed and latched.
Closed and latched. Mine is closed and latched. How about yours? All good?
Yep.
Okay.
All good.
Great. Okay. Limit map chart.
Limit
it's right
map
here. Check it here. 22, 20, 24.2. Okay, we got it. Next one. Friction. Release the friction. Release the friction. Can you put the mic a little closer to your mouth? Great. Thank you. All right. All good?
Yes.
And then raise the RPM. I'm raising the RPM to 80%, and the governor is going to take over. Okay, now you see, look at the RPM, it's in the green already, right? Warning light out, And the last step will be, we check the low here warning. Okay, I'm raising the R, raising the collective, and roll off the throttle.
Should I put my feet?
Great.
Should I put my feet on the pedals? Or?
I prefer you not to put on pedal until I give it to you. But it's fine with the cyclic and the collective. If you like it, put the hand on the cyclic and the collective. Feel it. Okay. Now we're done with the check. You can put the checklist back. Good morning, Republic Ground Helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie on Charlie ramp with Tango. We like to taxi the Gulf 6 for southeast departure.
Helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie, Republic Ground, standby.
Roger. Okay, we have to wait here.
Helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie, Republic Ground, Gulf 6, correction, runway 19er at Gulf 6.
Taxi to Gulf 6, hold short runway 19er, 72 Quebec Charlie.
Helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie, contact tower when ready.
Contact tower ready, to Quebec Charlie. Alright.
With Tango.
We got clearance. Okay, you have the collective?
Call back in 10
You have the
minutes.
collective. Okay, I got a cyclic. Don't fight with me. Okay, you can hold it, but don't fight with me. Alright? Okay?
I'll just keep it like this.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. You can slowly raise the collective. Slowly. Very good. As you're raising the collective, you see I'm stepping on the left pedal. Okay? Keep raising. Keep raising. Very good. That's very gentle and nice. Beautiful. That's enough. And we're in the harbor. Okay? And we're moving out.
Public Tower, remain outside the Delta, call back in 10 minutes.
Outside Space Delta, call back in 10 minutes, 96 Alpha.
Cessna 6 Echo Romeo, you're looking for a Cessna 11 o'clock, 3 miles on a 10-mile final, 1,200 feet, report in sight.
We're looking for the traffic, 6 Echo Romeo.
3 break off final to the left, join the left downwind for spacing. Cessna 827, stay parking.
Echo, tie down.
Cessna 827, turn right on Alpha, no delay, ground point 6.
Right on Alpha, no delay, ground point 6, 827.
Republic Tower, helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie at Gulf 6, ready for departure.
Helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie, Republic Tower, hold short runway 19er.
Holding short runway 19er, 2 Quebec Charlie.
Medevac 5 Delta Papa, traffic at your 12 o'clock, about a mile, is going to break off for you at 1,000 feet, a Diamond Katana.
That's right, 5 Delta Papa.
Cherokee 813, break off final to the left, join the left downwind for spacing.
Break off final to the left downwind for spacing, Cherokee 813.
Katana 2 Kilo Tango, step up your left side at 1,600 is a
I've never seen it this busy
final.
It's a beautiful day, everyone's flying.
Katana 2 Kilo Tango, just break off to the left, join the left downwind for spacing, please.
We got the traffic at 32 Kilo Tango.
So,
2 Kilo Tango,
you can see where the horizon is, okay?
Yes.
Well, Learjet 32 Kilo Tango.
Columbia 36 Tango, ground point 6, thanks for your help.
You can see where the
I'm
horizon
gonna let
is.
go of this.
Medevac 5 Delta
It's like
Papa.
right here.
Right, very good.
For you, descent
Okay,
at your discretion,
so
runway 19er.
if I use the forward cyclic, the nose is going to jump, okay? If I use the after cyclic, the nose is going to rise. Can you see it? Look at the compass. Look at the compass, look at the horizon. Nose is pitching up, nose is pitching down, right? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. If you like, try to keep the attitude constant, okay? All right, with the cyclic, all right?
State 00.
You have the cyclic?
Traffic off
Yes.
your forward
Cyclic,
left
the right hand. Let go the collective, I have the collective.
Traffic off your forward left
Let go the
1,200
collective, I have the
feet appears
collective.
to be
You have the
southeast
cyclic?
bound.
Yes.
You have the cyclic, okay? Try and keep this attitude. All right?
State 00.
Okay, you have the cyclic? Look out, look at the compass, look at the compass. You want to maintain the attitude, okay?
Affirmative, 80 miles.
All right?
Cessna 8 Lima Alpha, turn
You
base.
have the cyclic?
Turning base, 80 miles.
Cessna 6
man,
Echo
I'm
Romeo,
nervous.
start your left base.
On your right hand is the cyclic. You're holding it.
Yes.
Katana 2 Kilo
Okay,
Tango.
you have the
Traffic
cyclic.
off your forward left is a Cessna on final.
Very good. Not bad, not bad. I have controls. I have controls. You see it's very unstable, right?
19er.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try it again. You have the cyclic?
Yes.
All right, you have the cyclic. Oh, 1 second. Wind is gusting.
Cherokee 813, you're looking for a Diamond Katana at your 12 o'clock, about a mile.
All right, you have the cyclic?
1,200.
Yes, you got it.
Cherokee 813.
Cherokee 813, follow the
I
Diamond.
have the cyclic. Okay.
Cherokee 813.
It's, you see the attitude changes really quick.
To avoid extending too
You have to keep it tight, okay?
Oh, I have to hold it tight. All right.
Right. Don't grab it too tight, but keep the attitude managed very tight, okay?
Okay.
Turning
have the
a
cycling?
right base
Yes.
at
You got
1,200,
it.
a Cessna.
I have controls. It's hard, right?
Kilo
It's
Tango,
very
traffic
hard.
just passed off
Harder
your
than I
west
thought it
side,
would be.
Contact turn base, 32 Kilo Tango.
Very different than flying a plane.
26013, Gus 18. Helicopter 2, Quebec Charlie,
All right,
remain east of runway 19
try
at all
this
times. Golf 6,
a couple more times. I have the cycling.
25013, Gus 18. Southeastbound approved out of below 600 feet.
I have controls.
Okay.
Clear for takeoff on Gulf 6, south, eastbound approved, at or below 600 feet, east of runway 19 at all times, 7 to Quebec Charlie.
Medevac 5 Delta Papa, when able to take
Alright,
off.
we're going to take off from here.
Okay.
Talent Air, 5 Delta Papa.
Alright, 5 Delta Papa, turn right at Bravo 4, ground point 6, thanks for your help.
Right, Bravo 4, ground point 6, 5 Delta Papa. Papa Tower 3857, cab 3.
Cessna 6 Echo Romeo, fly westbound to join final. You're about a mile east of final.
I have the controls on the cycling. Okay, I'll give it to you once we get some
I'm
altitude.
gonna touch it, but
Absolutely, yeah, absolutely.
Continuing.
State 00. When you finish the 360, if you could make another left 360 for spacing.
After the 360, we'll do another one, 00.
Cherokee 357 Papa ident.
And I'm putting my left hand on the.
Absolutely, no worries. I'm not moving the collector anyway.
70 Republic Tower. Runway 19er cleared for takeoff. Left down.
If you're ready, I'll give you the cyclic. Try and maintain the attitude, okay? If you see, look at the compass. Look at the compass, okay?
Okay.
And feel my movement on the cyclic, okay? If I use, look at the compass. If I use a little forward cyclic, you see the nose drop. Can you see it?
Uh-huh.
And if I use a little after cyclic, the nose comes up, right?
Whoa,
So you can barely feel the movement on the cyclic, all right? So it's very tiny control input could cause,
So I'm gonna keep the cyclic
right?
and so right where I am, like this.
You just have to keep a little pressure on it, okay? Pressure. So what I like you to do is keep the attitude. You know how the control input is going to do to change the attitude, right? I'll try to keep the attitude. Right now, put a little bit forward pressure, just a tiny bit. A little bit pressure to the right. Great. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay. A little bit more pressure forward. Don't push it, just a little pressure, okay? We don't have to move it, just have to push it a little bit, just a little pressure. All right, look at the compass. A little bit to the right. A little bit more to the right, level it. Very good. Okay. A little bit more to the right. I have controls. The air is a little bit turbulent in this area.
2, clear to land, runway 19 at 32 Kilo Tango.
Okay. Let's try it again. We'll try it again, okay? I have the cyclic, don't fight with me. Allow me to do things, okay? Okay. Don't worry, let's try it again. Alright. You have the cyclic?
Yes.
You have to hold it a little bit to the right. Yes.
Right, okay.
Yeah, don't hold it, just keep the pressure to the right.
Right.
Okay, very nice. A little bit pressure forward. A little bit forward. A little bit more forward. You see the nose is a little high. A little bit more forward. Beautiful. Put the nose on lower, put the nose lower.
100 a Cessna.
Excellent.
State 00, follow that Cessna.
I have the collective. Let go of the collective. Okay, great. Concentrate on the cyclic. Okay, very good. That's very nice. You see, it's you're flying. Put the nose a little lower by a little forward pressure. Put the compass lower for 1 inch from here. Just 1 inch. Excellent. Not too large input. Don't move the heart. Don't move the hand. Just the finger. All right. We don't have to move the hand. Just the finger. All right. You got a cyclic?
No, I don't.
Don't worry. You have the cyclic?
Yes.
You have the cyclic. Great. Great. Very good. Very nice, man. Very nice. Keep it a little bit more stable. We don't have to do too much, okay? You're still moving the hand.
Right.
We don't have to move the hand. Okay? Try use a little pressure. Even though you see the compass move that much, it takes only a little pressure on the finger to put it back.
Okay.
Okay? Don't worry. You did great. You did great. You have the cyclic?
Yes.
You have the cyclic.
Roger that, 8 Lima Alpha.
A little, that will be too much, okay?
Right.
You see the nose drop that much, again, it takes only a little pressure to fix it.
Right.
Okay? Don't put too large control input. You have the cyclic?
Shaky 432,
yes.
hold short, runway 19er.
Holding short 19er, 9er, stop.
Kapana 22 Tango, play in the touch and go.
A little bit. I have controls.
I keep on realizing that
it's still too large movement, right?
Yeah.
Now, try relax and rest the hand on the
I'm just
lap.
not used to...
Yeah, rest the lap. Rest the lap. Yeah, there you go. Rest it. And hold the cyclic like you would hold a pen. Okay? Put the nose a little lower from here. Hey, don't move the hand. You just need to push the finger. Just a little pressure on the finger. Put the nose lower. Excellent. That's so much better. That is so much better. Put the nose lower for 1 inch from here. Perfect. That's beautiful. 1 inch lower. You see the nose wants to pitch up. Helicopter always wants to do something you don't want.
All right, I think
You have to keep it.
I'm comfortable with this now.
Beautiful. Beautiful. A little bit forward. Put the nose a little lower. 1 inch. That's excellent.
Farmingdale State 99er, make right traffic, runway 19er, cliff takeoff.
This is reporting?
This guy's flying. Okay, have controls.
Alpha traffic on the roll, runway 19er, clear touch and go.
You did great, okay? Don't worry about the camera. Camera isn't doing anything.
No, I'm looking directly at the compass.
Okay. Alright, you have controls? You have the cyclic?
Yes.
Okay, you have the
Farmingdale State
cyclic.
99er, traffic in position prior to your arrival.
You have the cyclic?
Yes.
You have the cyclic.
Cherokee 6 Victor Alpha from present position, fly westbound to join
We're moving the hand again. We don't have to move the hand. Just your finger.
All right, take controls.
No. No. You got it. You got it. Just don't move your hand. Just your finger. Excellent. There you go. You can do this. Come on, Ian. You're good.
Cherokee 577, you're at 1,500.
Very good.
100.
Very good.
Traffic off your left wing, half a mile, 1,500
Don't move
feet.
hand. Make sure we just use the finger pressure to fix anything.
Cherokee 577, maneuver to follow that Cherokee.
Alright. You still got it?
Maneuver to follow that Cherokee. 577.
You still got it?
Yes.
Okay, you got it.
Wind 260 at 12, gust 19er.
If you like, make a turn. Okay, we're turning to the right. Very good. Very good. Excellent. The banking angle is maintained very well, and your attitude is maintained very well in the turn.
Alien Alpha minimum blend touch and go.
Good job. Really good. That's really good. You see the nose comes up. Use a little forward pressure to fix that.
Cherokee 6 Victor Alpha, fly west
easy.
south to heading 270.
Put the nose lower.
270, 6
Put the nose lower. There you go. There you go. Just hold there.
State 99, extend down, I'll call you
Put the nose lower for 1 inch for me. There you go. Hold this attitude. Okay, a little lower than this. 1 more inch. 1 more inch lower. A little bit more forward. Very good.
Tower left downwind runway 19er.
Left down runway 190, Alpha.
Well done. Well done. Well done.
Tower Warrior 8275 Victor.
Can you make a slight right turn?
Tango inbound to land.
Nice.
Cherokee 8275 Victor, Republic Tower to report Deer Park 66.
Good job.
8275 Victor.
Good job.
Ooh, arm. Ow.
What's that?
My arm is hurting. It's just too much force.
Okay, I have controls. You want to relax and shake your arm? I have controls. Don't worry, I have controls.
Says the 6 Echo Romeo, say parking.
Enjoy the view. How do you like the view?
Oh, wow, I love the view.
You love the view?
A lot of ice.
Yes, it's so cold.
Yeah.
The ocean's frozen. You like the view, huh? You did great. You did great. Rest the arm. Remember, you see, we don't have to use the arm muscle, okay? So look at me, look at me. Look at my hand. Look at my right hand. This is the pressure I need to hold the cyclic. I don't have to grab it. I don't have to push my arm. All I need is rest my hand on the left. I use a little pressure forward to hold this cyclic, you see? If I have to adjust anything, I just change the pressure. I don't move anything. I just adjust the pressure. Look at the compass. Look at the compass. You see? The nose is dipping down. The nose is coming up just by changing the pressure on the hand. I get it.
Traffic
Okay?
about your 10 o'clock, 1 mile final, 500 feet.
Okay, we got a good time. 6 Victor Alpha.
Cherokee 6 Victor Alpha, runway 19er, clear line number 2.
Right.
Clear land number 2.
Well, good.
190, 6 Victor Alpha.
Says the Alien Alpha, you can extend you down when I'll call you base.
Will extend
right.
down when Alien Alpha.
I'm all good.
All right, 1 second.
6 guys and Papa, extend you down
I
when I'll
have
call
to
you
call
base.
the tower. Get back.
Extend downward, and we see a traffic in our right side, 1 o'clock.
Republic Tower, Farmingdale State 22, Bravo side of 19, ready for departure.
Farmingdale State 22, Public Tower, hold short, runway 19er.
Hold short, runway 19er, Farmingdale State 22.
Republic Tower, helicopter 7 to Quebec Charlie, 6 miles southeast, like to inbound for Gulf 6.
9er, ready for takeoff. Cherokee 29 Papa, you're at 1,300 feet, sir.
Negative, we're just turning now to the left, crossing 900 feet.
Cherokee 57 Papa, you have traffic, you're forward left 1,200 feet, joining the, or in the left base turn, Cherokee.
What bridge is this?
This is Captree Bridge.
Papa, follow that Cherokee, runway 19er, clear line number 3.
Triple land, 357 Papa, can we do 2 touch and goes with you?
Cherokee 57 Papa, runway 19er, clear touch and go number 2.
Clear touch and go, 357 Papa, thank you, man.
It's going to be right traffic, Cherokee 57 Papa.
After touch and go, right traffic, 357 Papa.
Farmingdale State, 9er, turn base.
Turning base, Farmingdale State 99.
Press Alien Alpha, extend down, I'll call you base.
Extending downwind to call our base, Alien Alpha.
Cherokee 577, extend down, I'll call you base.
Extended downwind, 38577.
Republic Tower, helicopter 7 to Quebec Charlie, 6 miles southeast, inbound for Gulf 6.
Helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie, Republic Tower, report over the landfill at below 600 feet.
Report on landfill at below 600 feet, 7 to Quebec Charlie. Alright, so I give you the cyclic. You see where the smoke comes out from there? In front of us, the smoke.
Right there.
Yeah, we gotta go towards the smoke, okay?
Okay.
You want to keep this attitude for me, alright? You have the cyclic?
Yes.
You have the cyclic. Keep the attitude. The nose wants to pitch up, don't let it.
Cherokee 577,
Right,
traffic,
okay.
Cherokee,
Okay,
no right
put the
base
nose
turn, just
right here.
north of the LIE.
There you go. Use the pressure on your finger. A little.
Cherokee 577, follow that
Okay.
Cherokee.
Good. Not bad, not bad. Very good.
Following Cherokee, 38577.
Excellent. The air is a little turbulent. We don't have to over control the helicopter. You did great. You did great. That's really nice. That is beautiful. What happened there? You're so much better than on the way out. Put the nose lower for half inch, just half inch.
Short 19er, 6 to Bravo.
Try put it lower for half inch. It'll be perfect. Good job. Good job. You're doing great.
260 at 8, gust 19er.
Really good, Ian. Really good.
Oh, I guess we're over Babylon right now.
Yeah, exactly.
I noticed the train station, that's why.
You still want to put the nose lower for 1 inch, just 1 inch. We go straight towards the smoke. You want to go a little bit to the left, just a tiny bit. Good. And put the nose just lower for half inch from here. Yeah. If you don't notice, the nose, you see, it comes up. If you're not looking, if you're not watching, the nose is coming up. Okay? So keep your eyes on the attitude. Put the nose lower for 1 inch from here. 1 inch lower.
Cherokee 577, reduce your speed, traffic
It's hard, right?
your arrival.
But you did so much better.
Reducing speed.
Let me take over just for 1 second. Just 1 second, okay? This is the attitude I want you to hold. Can you hold this attitude? Yeah, don't let the nose come up, okay? You have the control? You have the cyclic?
Yes.
You got the cyclic? Good. Good job.
0 Alpha, you midfield left downwind.
200 Alpha.
0 Alpha, extend downwind, I'll call you back.
Very good.
Extend downwind 0 Alpha.
Very good.
Wind 270 at 10, gust
I have
19er.
controls.
Alright, yeah.
I have controls.
Oh, okay. I'm not feeling so good.
All right. Okay. I got it. I got it. Just enjoy the view. I'm gonna fly back. Don't worry.
Victor,
Okay.
midfield left downwind.
We're all nervous in the first flight, and the air is a little turbulent over this area. You see, when the wind is strong and it's disturbed by the building and the trees, the closer you're to the ground, the more turbulent the air is.
Yeah, it's like the lesser the wind.
Yeah. Are you all right?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. We'll be landing in about 2 minutes. Okay. You're good, don't worry. You did great, you did great. How about the arm?
Yeah, the arm's fine.
State 22, runway 19er, line up and wait.
So
traffic,
it's a lot different than the airplane, right?
For sure.
657 Papa, that's gonna be for full stop.
Copy, full stop, check 57 Papa.
Or maybe it's because I have the jacket on and I'm just very warm.
Yeah, yeah. Like I said, even we didn't turn on the heat,
22, runway 19.
but with the sunshine, with this huge windshield, it's like a greenhouse in here.
Check 57 Papa, runway 19er, clear land.
Runway 19 clear land, check 57 Papa.
Just 8 Lima Alpha, traffic in position prior to your arrival.
8 Lima Alpha, affirmative.
Tower Captor 72 Quebec Charlie at land field for Golf 6.
Cessna 00 Alpha, traffic off your left lane on final assessment.
Cessna 00.
Cessna 00 Alpha, follow that Cessna.
Follow Cessna 00.
On the state 00, you're over the LIE in the right downwind 1100.
Paper, state 00.
On the state 00, extend the flight base.
You got space on the state 00.
Wind 270 at 9er, gust 19er.
3577, clear the line.
Confirm, Drake 577, you're clear to land.
Right.
Tower Captor 72 Quebec Charlie, land field for Golf 6.
Helicopter 2 Quebec Charlie, main east of runway 19er at all times, Golf 6, clear land.
East of runway 19 all time, clear to land on Golf 6, 72 Quebec Charlie. Alright, we got the landing clearance. We'll be back on the ground in no time.
Sierra 6 Lima Bravo, runway 19er, line up and wait, traffic 2 mile final. Line up and wait, 456 Lima Bravo. Bravo state 00 to
Clouds good, design a great view and M's okay. Car speed is up. Temperature off the yellow. We're gonna land back to Golf 6.
Check 577, turn right Alpha, and contact ground, good speed to Alpha.
Roger that, good speed to Alpha, contact ground.
Check 75 Victor, you join downwind, extend, I'll call you base. Extend downwind to 875 Victor.
Applicate Tower 357 Papa, can we turn base right now? We're inside with the traffic on final.
So descend down and slow down a little bit. We're going to terminate the approach into a hover over the Golf 6 where we took off.
Clear for takeoff, 456 Lima Bravo. Just 8 Lima Alpha, traffic on
That
roll
sounded like
runway
my
19
pilot,
land.
who I did for the flying lesson.
Just 0 Jude Alpha, runway
You did great, you did great, really. On the way back, you were flying in very challenging condition by your own. It's very good.
No, 757 Alpha Delta, report your park, 757 Alpha.
Just 7 Alpha Delta, midfield left downwind, runway 19er.
Midfield left downwind 19, 757 Alpha.
Check 57 Papa, you're approaching the LIE.
Affirmative.
57 Papa, turn base, traffic just passed off your right wing. Runway 19er cleared to land to number 3.
Side with the traffic, clear to land, runway 19, 257 Papa.
Farmingdale State 00, traffic, Cherokee, and a right base turn over the LIE.
Traffic, sorry, Farmingdale State 00.
Farmingdale State 00, you're going to follow that Cherokee.
Follow traffic, Farmingdale State 00.
Farmingdale State 99, extend down, I'll call you base.
Extend down, you'll know my base, Farmingdale State 99. And Republic Tower, Cherokee 225 Delta 19 Golf 7, ready for takeoff.
Cherokee 2225 Delta, Republic Tower, hold short, runway 19er.
Hold short 19.
Okay.
Wind 240 at 7, gust 17.
Alright, make sure you take off the jacket and give it to Steve and your headset as well, okay?
On the State 55, Republic Tower, hold short, runway 19er.
Hold short, runway 19.
You can give me the headset first.
Cessna 8 Lima Alpha, when able to say parking.
Shell there.
Cessna 8 Lima Alpha, turn
Bravo, cross runway 14, give way to Cherokee inbound to Atlantic.
3, dew point -14, altimeter 3040. Visual approach in units. Landing departing runway 19er. Notice is Hammond, north.
Come with us.
Gonna get as nice as focused as possible.
Advise Republic Tower initial contact, you have information, uniform. Public Airport information, uniform time 1753 Zulu. Wind 240 at 14, visibility 10. Ceiling 9,000.
We have uniform, southeast departure, VFR.
How's it doing, Steve?
Good.
Great. Can you keep the mic close to the mouth? Great. Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to get the clearance, and you will be handling the picking up, okay?
All right.
So you have the collective?
Yes, I have the collective.
Very good. All right. Republic Ground Helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie with uniform Charlie ramp would like to taxi the Gulf 6 for southeast departure.
Republic Ground, Skyhawk 8200 Alpha. It's Alpha request taxi instruction 6. Cessna 820 Juliet Alpha, Republic Ground, taxi Echo via Alpha. Echo via Alpha 00.
Republic Ground Helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie on Charlie ramp with uniform would like to taxi the Gulf 6 for southeast departure.
T-Max 5 Papa Romeo, runway 19er, taxi via Bravo, cross runway 14.
Come on. It's so busy. It's crazily busy today.
Seeing these planes flying, they're coming in like sideways.
Ground, runway 19er, and Gulf 6 taxi.
Runway 19er, Gulf 6 taxi, 72 Quebec Charlie.
Helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie, southeast departure on request.
Southeast on request. 2 Quebec Charlie, thank you. Alright, we got the clearance. Let's pick it up. Slowly raise the collective. Very good. As you're raising the collective, I'm stepping on the left pedal to contact the torque. Good. Slowly. A little slower. Good. Good. Keep raising a little bit more. Great. Excellent. Yeah, that's perfect. Now we're in the air.
Wow.
Well, we're moving up. Now, this is the power we will need for taking off, okay? We don't have to move the collective anymore. I have the collective. Good.
Okay.
And then the next stage, once we took off, I'll give you the cyclic, okay? Get ready for that. Republic Tower Helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie on Gulf 6, ready for southeast departure again.
Helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie, Republic Tower southeast on departure is approved. Remain east of runway 19er at all times at or below 600 feet. Gulf 6 clear for takeoff.
Gulf 6 clear for takeoff, east of runway 19er all time at or below 600 feet, east of runway 19er all the time, 72 Quebec Charlie. Alright, we're good to go. Lights, tags, everything looks good. Okay, we're going to take off from here. So what I like to do is, ooh, wind is so gusty. We just like to get some speed first. Okay, so we stay close to the ground, get some speed. And then once we have about 15 knots airspeed, I start letting the helicopter to climb.
Public Tower, helicopter
Air is more turbulent when we're close to the ground.
Uniform, landing Atlantic ground.
And also it's more turbulent over the land because the wind is disturbed by the building and trees on the ground. Okay, alright. Now look at the compass and look at the horizon. Recognize this attitude. Okay.
Right, the horizon sort of in the middle part of the compass.
Very good, okay? Could you hold the cyclic? Just feel it with me, okay? When I try to change the attitude, when I change the attitude, it takes only a little pressure on the cyclic. Okay? If a little after pressure, you see the nose comes up. You can barely feel the movement, right? So it's not the movement. It's not the movement, just the pressure on the cyclic. Okay? And a little forward cyclic, look at the compass. There you go. You see the nose come up.
That was a lot.
That's a lot, right? So it takes only very little movement on the cyclic. So make sure we use our finger and make sure.
Right. It's barely holding it.
Make sure our hand, we use the finger to control the cyclic, okay? Alright, you have the cyclic?
I have the cyclic.
You have the cyclic. You need a little bit
386 Romeo
pressure to the right.
1,200 feet.
And very good. A little bit forward. A little bit forward. A little bit more to the right. You see we're tilting to the left.
Over checkpoint 32.
More to the left. More to, sorry, right.
Point 32.
Very good.
600. 6 Romeo.
A little bit more to the
Very
right.
subtle.
More to the right. Good. A little bit more forward. Excellent. More to the right.
Farmingdale, state 88, holding short.
I have controls. I have controls.
88, Pub Tower, hold short, runway 3, runway 19er.
Alright.
I felt that air pocket.
Don't worry.
Cessna 7 Alpha Delta traffic in
I'm with you. Don't worry. Okay. You have the
Is
cyclic?
this because I have the cyclic?
You have the cyclic.
Is this because it's so windy out?
It's when the altitude is off, it get off real quickly. Okay, you have to guard the altitude real tight. Okay, so watch the compass. Now this is the wind.
Wind 260, 12
This is the wind. Okay, you have the cyclic?
I have the cyclic.
You have the cyclic. Can you put the nose lower for 1 inch for me? By a little forward pressure. And we're banking to the left. You see that? Right, good, very good. More forward, put the nose low. I have controls. Okay, that's opposite input, okay? So when I say we want to put the nose lower, we use the forward cyclic, okay?
Right.
Okay, you have controls?
I have a cyclic.
You have the cyclic. All right, a little forward. And a little bit more forward. Good, a little to the right. You see, it always to the right. You need forward and right pressure to hold the attitude and don't let the nose come up, okay? It's challenging, right?
It is.
It's most difficult.
Definitely not like flying a plane. Very different.
Going down to 600. 6 Romeo.
Okay, you have the cyclic?
I have the cyclic.
You have the cyclic. Watch the attitude. Nose wants to come up. Don't let nose come up. You have to use the forward cyclic to put the compass lower. A little bit more. Beautiful. That's very good. That's very good. Okay, and we're banking still. We're drifting, so a little to the right. You see the nose too high? A little forward cyclic. Put the nose lower for 1 inch for me. Can you? A little forward cyclic. Put the compass lower by 1 inch.
Turn right Alpha, contact ground.
By 1 inch.
Turn right, contact ground.
Excellent. That's very good.
Traffic.
Don't let the nose come up. You see, a helicopter always wants to do this thing. Yeah, you have to control it. You have to control it.
Definitely a whole different experience.
Absolutely.
Departure is approved.
Okay, put the nose lower by 1 inch, would you? And keep it straight on level. A little to the left.
Cessna 58 Victor, traffic
a bit to the left.
And 1 mile southeast on 2.
A little bit forward.
To Cherokee, descend down to pattern altitude.
A little bit forward.
Descending down to CPA, we got the traffic at 500 Victor.
Good. Good. A little forward. You see the nose always want to come up.
Yeah.
I'll keep saying that. You have to manage the altitude. You have to keep the nose. Okay, let me just give you a little help. We want to stabilize the attitude. We want to stabilize it. Okay. Right. Right here. Okay. You want to keep it there. Okay. The nose will want to come up. The compass wants to come up.
Right. I'm feeling a back pressure on the stick.
Yes. Yes. Very good. That's the pressure. You have to keep it low. Keep it down. Keep it down.
Cherokee 25
Very good.
Right 15 degrees to exit my pattern.
Very good.
Right 15 degrees to pattern.
Forward. Put it down. Not too much.
Public Tower, Cessna 798 Lima Alpha.
Very good.
Cessna 798 Lima Alpha.
Nice. Now you're flying. Now you're flying. Very good. Once we're over the water, the air is going to be a little bit smoother.
Okay.
Good.
This is Cherokee.
Good job.
38433, 6 miles
Excellent.
to the
That's very nice.
Farmingdale.
Still manage the altitude.
Cherokee 38.
Monitor the altitude.
Midfield left downwind runway 19er.
Very good.
Midfield left downwind runway 19.
Very nice. Very nice.
Cherokee 3213, confirm the right downwind departure.
Cherokee 213, your right downwind departure is approved.
A little bit
Very
forward.
slow, you're right.
A little bit forward. Yeah, you always need that pressure. Very nice.
That's 5
Very nice.
base.
Okay.
Sound downwind and base is on you.
Okay, you want to try something else?
Sure.
Okay. I'll give you the collective and the pedal. Watch the attitude. Don't look down. Always look the attitude.
Right.
Okay. Good. All right. All right. You have the collective and pedals?
Yes, I do.
You do? All right. Still monitor the attitude. Okay. That's the key. That's the most important thing. All right.
Good speed to runway 32. Turn right runway 32.
Great. Okay. Try lower the collective and use the right pedal to start descent. You see the nose job? You see the nose job? After cyclic? After cyclic. Not too much after cyclic. I have the cyclic. You see, you lower the collective, the nose is going to jump.
Right.
So you have to use the after cyclic to maintain the attitude, okay? Alright, you have the cyclic?
Make right traffic.
You have the cyclic.
19er. Clear for takeoff. Traffic 2 mile final.
Okay. Put the nose just a little higher by half inch. Half inch. A little after cyclic. A little after cyclic. Beautiful.
inside for
Beautiful.
Farmingdale State 99.
Good. Good. Keep lowering the collective a little bit more. We're going to make a landing to the island. You see the nose job?
Downwind over the alley.
Yeah. A little after cyclic. A little after cyclic. Good.
Turn base.
Very good. Very good. Excellent.
Turn base.
All right. We're going to start raising the collective and use the left pedal to control the heading. Good. Little by little, not too much. I have controls. I have controls. Yeah, good. All right. So this is how we land. We slow down by using the after cyclic, pitch the nose up. And then we use the collective to allow the helicopter to descend. This is how we make approach.
Alright.
Alright? So you want to try the hover, right?
Alright.
Okay, let's try.
So what am I holding? Everything?
No, not yet, not yet, not yet. Let me just turn into the wind. A bit easier, okay? Okay. Just take the cyclic, relax your feet, relax your left hand. Take the cyclic. It's the same thing as in the flight. You want to watch the attitude, okay?
Alright.
Alright, keep the attitude as where it is. You have the cyclic?
Yes, I have the cyclic.
You have the cyclic.
Turn right 20 degrees to vacate
Good job, good job, good job. Not too bad. Try fix that. Use little control input.
433, you can extend it down runway base.
It's pretty nice. That's really good.
Pulling my base.
Excellent. I have controls. I have controls. Not bad. That's really good. That's really good. Okay, let's try that one more time.
Okay.
All right. Good job. You have the cyclic?
I have the cyclic.
You have the cyclic. Well done. Oh, I have controls. I have controls. We have a tendency when the nose pitch up, we use the after cyclic to fix that, and that's the opposite input we need, okay?
Alright.
So when the nose comes up, make sure we use the forward cyclic, push it down.
Forward, right.
Okay? Alright. You have the cyclic?
I have the cyclic.
You have the cyclic. Controls. I have controls. It's not
Wow.
easy. It's not easy to hover, right? All right. Try it one more time. We'll have to go back. Okay. You have the cyclic?
I have the cyclic.
You have it. Fix that. Good. Use small control input. Very nice. Very nice. I have controls. Not controls.
Wow, a different experience.
Not bad, Steve. Really, you did great. You did great. The first hover you did, that was about over 5 seconds. That's much better than a lot of people. That's much better than average people.
Okay.
Believe it or not, it's so much better than a lot of people. So much better than me.
Alright,
we're gonna take off and go back. Okay. Alright, start climbing. How do you feel?
TMX 5 Papa Romeo, your
How do you feel?
departure is
This
approved.
is exciting. It's kind of like never been in a helicopter before. That experience alone is worth every penny.
I'm so glad. I'm so glad you like it.
Definitely a different reality than flying, being in a plane.
Okay, I'm gonna call the tower to get clearance, and where we want to go is to the smoke. Can you see the smoke on the left-hand side? About 10 o'clock. Okay.
Yeah, to the left of the
and then
water
I'll give you the cyclic. Okay.
433, turn base.
Heading gauge, 433.
Cessna 8 Lima Alpha traffic, Cherokee left base, turn over the LIE.
Got traffic in sight, 8 Lima Alpha.
Cessna 8 Lima Alpha, follow that Cherokee.
Affirmative, 8 Lima Alpha.
Cessna 8 Lima Alpha, follow that Cherokee.
It's 8 Lima Alpha is the Cherokee at 060 from me.
Yes, sir, he's in the left base, turn over the LIE.
Affirmative, I have him in sight, 8 Lima Alpha.
Republic Tower, helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie, 6 miles southeast, inbound for Gulf 6.
Helicopter 72 Quebec Charlie, Republic Tower, Portal with landfill at or below 600 feet.
Report on landfill at below 600, 72 Quebec Charlie. Alright, you have controls? You have controls?
I have control. Controls everything.
Alright.
Okay, I have the controls.
You have controls. Still monitor the altitude, that's the key, okay?
Yep.
Alright, a little forward. A little, we're tilting, to the right, go to the right, go to the right.
Roger.
Okay, you see the smoke? You want to go to the smoke? I have controls. Controls. Let me just stabilize it for you, okay? So you want to fly this heading towards the smoke, okay? And you want to keep this attitude, okay?
Right.
Alright, you have controls.
I have controls.
You have all the controls. Monitor the attitude, that's the key. Very good. Easy. Small on the control input. Keep it small.
That's a 5-8 Victor. You're following Cherokee traffic ahead of you in the downwind.
Roger that, we're following, but on the downwind side.
Really good.
If you can video me doing this, would be great with your phone.
Well, we have the video.
Oh, it's back there.
Yeah, there you go. So what you have to do is put the nose a little lower for 1 inch and keep it there and not drifting to the right. We want to go straight towards the smoke, okay? Put the nose lower for 1 inch, you have to monitor that. The nose always wants to come up.
Right.
Yeah, there you go.
At 3,000 feet, 8 miles
Put it lower.
of the airport.
Lower for 1 inch.
With information uniform.
Very good. I like that control input. Now from here, you just have to keep it. Keep the pressure there. Don't let the nose come up.
Track the LIE for left base runway 19er.
Left base 19er, 6-8 Bravo.
Good.
Our public tower, Cessna 130
Put it lower. Put it lower. Forward cycling. Good. Very good.
Terminal state 00 traffic, Cessna.
Very good. You want it from here,
900 feet.
just raise your collective for a fraction and don't let the nose come up when you raise the nose.
Clear touch and go, number 3.
Good. Very good.
Clear touch and go, number 3, Farmingdale phase 00.
Cessna 5 Victor, I'll call your base.
Very good.
You're calling my base, how did it?
Very good.
Terminal state 99, are you going to extend your down when I'll call your base?
Standing down when you're calling my base, Farmingdale phase 99.
Well done, Steve. Well
Cessna
done.
130 Judah Alpha Pulse.
You're flying a helicopter.
That's permanent 0
Sorry?
I said you are flying a helicopter.
Put the midfield left downwind runway
I have
19er.
controls. I have controls.
Downwind 130 Juliet Alpha.
Wind 260,
All good?
10, gust 19er.
Shake it off.
Yeah.
Just be relaxed, okay?
Right.
All right. You have controls?
I have controls.
You have controls. Keep this attitude, okay?
Okay.
You got it.
Cessna 8 Lima Alpha,
Good
you
job.
are clear to land, turn number 2.
Good job.
Clear to land, 8 Lima Alpha.
Nice.
240 at
This
12,
is so
Gulf
nice.
19er.
Very good. You see, it's easier when you keep it tight, right?
Right.
You have to guard the attitude very tight, otherwise it's going to be hard to fix.
Yep.
Good. Very good. Even with the turbulent air, we don't have to over control.
I mean, I'm
just
hearing
use
the wind
finger.
blow by me, so
Yes,
it's serious
that's the
windy
wind.
out and everything else.
Very good. Very good. You managed very well. Keep the heading, keep the attitude tight. A little bit forward. Very good.
Check the 433,
nose.
runway 32, turn right 32, contact ground.
I have controls. I have controls. Don't worry.
You definitely feel the turbulence in the air pockets.
Yes, yes. Okay. You have controls?
I have controls.
You have controls.
Cessna 58 Victor, turn base now.
Good job. Good job.
Farmingdale State 63, traffic, Cessna on the right base turn over the LIE.
Good.
Farmingdale State 63, follow that Cessna in.
Very good.
Farmingdale State 99, you're going to extend, you're looking for company traffic on final over the mall.
Sending and looking for traffic, Farmingdale
Put the nose a little lower.
Helicopter 2 Quebec Charlie, where are you looking to land?
From dip to Quebec Charlie.
Helicopter 2 Quebec Charlie, where are you looking to land, sir?
We're looking for Gulf 6 to Quebec Charlie.
Helicopter 2 Quebec Charlie, main eastern runway 19 at all times, Gulf 6, clear to land.
Eastern runway 1 all the time, Gulf 6 clear to land, 7 to Quebec Charlie. All right. You see, got a cyclic. Put the nose lower by 2 inch. Very good. That's very nice. Oh well, I just have to enjoy the view then. As you're flying.
8 Lima Alpha, when able, stay parking.
Shelter, 8 Lima Alpha.
Cessna 8 Lima Alpha, turn left here, runway 14, contact ground.
Good.
Contacting ground, 8 Lima Alpha.
The nose comes up again.
Cessna
Put it back
58 Victor,
down.
runway 19, clear touch and go number 2.
Clear touch and go on 19,
Farmingdale State 63, runway 19, clear to land number 3.
Land number 3, Farmingdale 63.
Cessna 68 Bravo, turn right, join the left downwind, runway 19.
Stay Bravo, turn right, join left downwind.
Cessna 68 Bravo, descend down to pattern altitude 1,100 feet, public altimeter 3039er.
039, descend to 1,100 feet. 68 Bravo.
Farmingdale State 99er, did you have company traffic?
Negative traffic, Farmingdale State 999.
All right, I have controls from here.
Okay. Your right wing, so you can turn base.
We're gonna make a landing. You can stay cyclic and collective with me if you like.
Tower, Napa 272.
I'll talk you through how we make the landing. Okay, like what you did over the island. It's gonna be the same. We're gonna slow down. We're gonna descend.
27272, call tower, you're at 3.
So still watch the attitude. Okay, watch the attitude. We're keeping this attitude.
Navajo 272, maintain
We want to turn into the wind.
Right downwind, runway 19er.
We're clear. There's no traffic around us. And here, I just bring the nose higher. You see, look at the compass. It's above the horizon, right?
Right.
So by this attitude, we're gonna slow down. Okay, and then I lower the collective just a little bit, so we start descending.
Okay.
Okay.
Wind 250 at 16, that's 19er.
Right. When I lower the collective, I use the red paddle to keep our heading, right? Okay.
Cessna 68 Bravo, traffic.
We're coming down. You see, we're slowing down, right? Little by little, we're slowing down.
1,300 feet.
Traffic in sight.
Cessna 68 Bravo, follow that Cherokee.
Follow that Cherokee.
Farmingdale State 00, extend upwind until advised.
Extend upwind until advised, Farmingdale State 00.
Here's where we're gonna land. All right, we're back on the ground. Tail's clear. I'll just make a turn. I got a cyclic.
Farmingdale State 00, you can make your crosswind turn now.
Farmingdale State 00, we have the traffic section sent to the right downwind inside.
Roger, Farmingdale State 00, it's a Navajo, he's running the right downwind now. Navajo 272, traffic, green and white, Cherokee, 1 mile final.
I'm looking for that traffic, 272. Tower, Cherokee 5560 Whiskey, holding short of Bravo 19er. And 272, we have traffic.
Do you have the traffic 1 mile final inside Cherokee?
Affirmative, 272.
Navajo 272, follow that Cherokee, runway 19er, cleared to land number 2.
All right.
Wow, that was cool.
Farmingdale State 99er,
You
reduce
did
speed
cool.
traffic,
You're
Navajo
great.
in the right
Good job.
downwind, turning
This
a
is
1
great.
mile right base.
Reducing speed, Farmingdale State 99.
Crew call ready for departure. Crew call ready for departure.
5560 whiskey.
This is a checklist how we shut down the engine. I'm just following the checklist.
Right.
Short 19er.
Throttle, friction, put the
Navajo
friction
272,
on.
direct the numbers, traffic, Cherokee.
Collective friction is
Yeah, 272.
cylinder head temperature, job.
We'll send that one, 0 Julie Alpha.
Close the throttle, disengage the clutch. .30 awaiting.
Cessna 68 Bravo, traffic in position prior to your
I
arrival.
was just waiting 30 seconds for the clutch to disengage from the road to disengage from the
We have
engine.
to allow the belt to loose, to be loose.
Right. Will that light go out when it's
The light is go out. It's gonna go out later.
when it's disengaged?
Yeah,
Okay.
but we can cut off the engine first within 30 seconds. Cut off the engine.
Farmingdale State 99er, runway 19er, clear touch go number 2.
Now I'm just waiting for the light to go out.
Cessna 0 Jude Alpha, extend downwind, I'll call your base.
Sending downwind, you'll call my base, 0 Juliet Alpha.
Farmingdale State 00, extend downwind, I'll call your base.
Extend, you got the base, state 00.
Cessna 58 Victor, extend downwind, I'll call your base.
Sending downwind, you call my base,
Wind 240 at
It's so
11,
busy
gust
today, it's
19er.
crazy.